Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of agricultural machinery, where technology is reshaping how farmers work. Modern agricultural equipment is constantly evolving, helping farmers save both time and money. But some farmers still use clever, time-tested machines that continue to get the job done efficiently. In this video, we'll explore some of the most useful and innovative agricultural machine inventions out there. Some of these machines might surprise you. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Now let's jump right into today's video. Our first machine is designed to harvest crops like acorns, butternut, buttercup, and Hubbard squash. We'll show you how it carefully harvests butternut squash. It's important to handle the squash gently during harvesting to avoid damaging the produce. Next up is the soil improvement machine, a crucial tool for prepping the ground before planting. This machine can enhance the soil, reaching depths of up to 90 centimeters with or without fertilizer. It tackles soil compaction, ensuring the entire area is prepared to the perfect depth for planting. This continuous apple harvester is designed to keep the process moving without interruption. It comes equipped with a shaker that works continuously, allowing the fruits to be transferred directly onto a conveyor belt and into an adjacent tractor, without ever touching the ground. The RSE stone barrier with bed former shaper is a powerhouse used by horticultural companies, especially in hard soil conditions. This machine is mesmerizing to watch as it buries stones beneath the soil, leaving behind a perfectly smooth top layer. Equipped with a Honda GX 390 engine, power transmission belts, and a centrifugal clutch, this wood chipper is perfect for gardeners and lumberjacks. The wood chips it produces are ideal for composting, mulching, or even as fuel for wood-burning stoves. Our next machine is a tractor-pulled watermelon harvester. It significantly speeds up the harvest, making it more efficient. Workers place the watermelons onto conveyors, which transport the fruit up to the top of the trailer, helping preserve both the fruit and the workers' energy. Last but not least is the rotodiron soil cultivator, a multitasking reverse rotation rototiller. It turns the soil clockwise, sieving out rocks and debris, and leaving a perfectly graded and compacted seedbed behind. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible agricultural machines. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you in the next one.